is welcome to Sunday Live Analysis. Today being on 28th September, 28th September, and we're going to start directly. I love a new week, man, but I have to change about something. So initially I did this on Mondays. I decided to be doing it on Sunday before the markets open because it's the best time to do it. And it would be very helpful if at the beginning of the week you find the analysis already there uploaded, and when we get in a week you're sure what is happening. So first of all, we start with analyzing the markets technically, and then we go and look what news we have. And for today, let's stay to gold. Remember, we're not interested in gold. So for me, there's something I'm looking for. So on a daily time frame, this is what I'm waiting for. Unless gold comes back to these levels, I'm not interested. I'm not in the market. I don't think these are those ones. Didn't come back to this level. We waited for it, but didn't. So for me, unless gold comes back to these 35 levels, I'm not interested in that. For now, I'll just observe and wait. And, these are the levels that I'm mainly focused on. 3500 levels, and then I can be interested in gold. So for now, let's leave gold there. Let's leave it there. Let it be. So for now, let's observe. I'm not interested in taking any trade because in new highs we don't have confirmations, and I don't like to gamble. I like the market to give me the way. So the other one should be oil, but I don't know what has happened with my oil charts. So they are saying change symbol. I don't know what symbol I'm supposed to change. And the last time I opened this computer, the symbol was really, but for me overall oil I'm short, and it has been for a while, but last week oil rallied up, but this was this, and I'm looking on shorts on oils. I'm sure that. So next thing is going to be UJ. UJ is our next player, which is very interesting because UJ has decided to rally up, and I was short on UJ. I almost made a loss, but I didn't take this trade, and it broke these levels which we were looking at, those support levels, and turned them to support levels, which is very interesting. And this means I have to be very careful with this market starting this week, and I have to wait for new confirmation and new levels because we enjoy this. We enjoy this consolidation. People say that market was not moving, but I capitalized on this consolidation for almost a month. Take a few trades out of this, and you can't complain. So for now, we wait and observe. So it comes to UJ, just a matter of observations, and trust me, we are going to enjoy this because at the end of the day, when a setup comes, we will take it and we will enjoy it. So for now, let's wait and see. But these levels are still falling. So initially, this was our resistance level, but now it has turned to a support level because the market has broken, and it's creating new levels. Let's wait and see what will happen when it comes back to the test, which is a very beautiful thing. And let me see how many days it took. Oh, this was a single day movement. Broke here, went, and it's trying to form new levels here, but I don't think this is not a very valid resistance according to me because initially I don't have a marking this level, so this means not valid unless it uses confirmation. So if it's going to run down, you have confirmations. If it rallies down without confirmations, well and good, that will be even better because we'll be waiting for it here. Yes, so what we are looking for. So you can see the next one. The next one is platinum. Now this is interesting because platinum has done things that I didn't see coming because it has rallied up, man. It has rallied up. By the end of the week, I had seen it. Look at this. From 1400 levels to 1500 levels. I don't know what pushed the platinum into these levels because I don't know for us to move this strongly, but I like it. Although it's very interesting. So for us, we have to wait. If it comes back to these levels, then we can think about it. But for now, platinum no goes on because for us in these levels, if I was out of short, look at this. I don't know, man. Platinum is insane, but I love it, man. So no rush, no hurry. The next thing is an index, German 40, German 40. So now German 40, we took this trade at the beginning of the week. Took this trade at the beginning of the week. It was a very beautiful long at the beginning of the week. And by the end of the week, it was in our TP1 levels, and I didn't want to hold trades over the weekend because remember we have a very interesting government in power. That's Trump's government, and during the weekend if they can sell in, so I can hold a trade, but I don't like it. But at the end of the week, it was in my TP1 levels, nowhere from here to here, or my valid TP1 levels. That's why I prefer using squares. Those squares are more better at marking levels. So these are my TP1 levels, TP2, and running up. So we closed this trade in profit. That was on Friday at our TP1 levels, which was very beautiful. But now the setup is still valid, but we don't know if it's going to come back. So when it comes back here, we will buy again, which will have given us a more stronger confirmation on homes. And it's we'll move on. And this is the only setup that I'm very keen on. Remember, I've been waiting this setup for a very long time. So it's beautiful, it's great. And let's wait and see. We close there, end of the week, comes back here, which the possibilities are very high it comes. We rally up together with the market and hold it for another week. Remember, I like taking swings anywhere from 2 days trade, 1 day, 2 day, in a week. I don't like overholding trades for so long because I don't think my psychology is that strong. But eventually we'll get there when our account balance is strong and we'll be taking this trade together for a very long time, maybe a month or so until our TPs are hit. So, but for now, remember we're focusing on growing as well. And that's it on German 14. I think much has changed. Let's go to US30. Now, US30 has been on new highs and all-time highs. And it's becoming very interesting to trade US30. I haven't taken a trade in US30 for a while. I'll keep it like that. Same case to gold. When a pair or an index is new time levels, I kind of wait for confirmations, and this that is not giving me great confirmation before I take trades. So I have to. The reason as to why I wait for confirmation is because I taught myself how to trade gold when gold's rallying up, and I learned a lot. So it's easier for me to trade new levels and avoid losses because it's very easy. We always have to wait for my confirmations, and when my confirmations are made, I take trades. This is very interesting because most traders don't overtrade all-time highs because they learned to trade in levels that had confirmations, which currently is going to be difficult because the markets, I expect the markets to rally up. When they rally up, traders are going to make money also going to capitalize on new levels. And these entries are not very suitable for anyone who has not traded in all new time high levels, and it's not really suitable for anyone with small accounts. So if you have a big account, well and good at yourself. But if you have a small account, don't try to think the market is more forming new supports or new resistance or new trends on a trend line because it's going to cook you. So for confirmations, that was the only thing that I learned during the time that I was trading gold in time high. So comes to US30, you just wait, relax, and no biggie. We have other pairs to trade. Now we have BTC Euro. BTC Euro came to these levels, which is very interesting to daily. These levels. These ones. Well, initially, for me, I'm short on this thing. I'm short on BTC Euro. I'm short on BTC Euro until to level somewhere here. So for now, I'll wait. Remember, I will go with the trend unless it moves up to our resistance. For now, I have to observe, but if it breaks this support, I'll short it. But for now, just I'm going to just relax and wait. This come to Euro USD last pair. Euro USD is back to our levels. Back to our levels. So remember, Euro USD has been on these supports for a very long time. It has been in these levels for a very long time, almost 2 months. It has been coming back and giving us longs, coming back and giving us longs. So eventually when it's here, my first instinct is going to be long. So I will be waiting for confirmations for long. Remember, I say don't get into trades without confirmations because confirmation are the key, and you have to have entry criteria that has to be met before it is interested for me. If it comes here, it's a very good long. If it doesn't, or if it comes here, it's a very good long. If it doesn't, requires at this level, you're okay. If it breaks these levels, you're okay. So me right now is what I will be waiting for. But first of all, remember I have to wait for information. I won't just wait. And if it comes back and decides to go up, it has a very high potential because the market has been changing trend here and bulls are in control, which is a very good sign. Which is a very good sign. It's so overall that's what I've been looking for in this week. Remember we have live sessions, so like, subscribe because I want to build a community of traders. I've been saying this for a while. I want to build a community of traders, man. I want to be trading with people live because it's a very good thing to have a community of traders. Because trading is very lonely. Trading is very lonely. And, as a self-taught trader, I think the community is very relevant and it shortens the curve of learning and getting more information, which is very good. Remember, analysis. This analysis can be affected by news. This week, this week, I think Monday. Let me see. Let me look at the news. Anything major that's going to affect us on Monday. On Monday, it comes to US has nothing. which can affect us, but we don't know what decisions were made over the weekend. So we just have to wait. Tuesday, China has news, so trading on this session should be very careful. We have a red folder news, so that's Tuesday. And Tuesday we have inflation rates when it comes to euro. So observe that we have unemployment change when it comes to euro. Oh, euro pairs will be very affected this Tuesday because we have too much red folder news on Tuesday. We have I don't know, Northern Westphalia CPI. What the heck is that? I've never heard of that. Saxon CPI. I don't pay too much attention to Europe news, man, but wow, there are so many news come Tuesday, 11. So be very careful when it comes to Tuesday. I'm more concerned on the US news. So inflation rate is going to be on Tuesday. We have Jolt's job opening. What else we have? So that's Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's go just straight to the US part. Let's leave the Asian and London session aside. Those have they don't have as a strong impact of the US news. So it comes to Wednesday, we have ADP employment changes. We have S&P Global Manufacturing. We have ISM Manufacturing Demand. That's on Wednesday. We have Thursday. Thursday. That's when my calendar has closed. So I have news from Monday to Thursday, from Monday to Wednesday full day, and Thursday half day. So I'll keep you updated because I'll be on lives and I'll be uploading videos. In case we get a setup, we'll take it and remember we'll keep you updated. It's just all out. Remember, new week, new profits. Building a community of traders. Let's all join. Let's all make money together. So let's enjoy forex, man. Such as all out. Sunday live analysis over. I'm going to upload it right now so that you can help someone else say there. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a profitable week. Like, subscribe, and comment.